TLDR, I have enrolled in a master's program to get a degree in AI for business applications. I start in a week, and I'm just going to be showing you guys how it is and what I'm learning. I'm a busy boy, so I'm filming this on a grocery run. In about a week, I'm going to be embarking on a journey that I never thought I would be embarking on. I'm going to be starting a program to get my master's degree, and not just any master's degree. I'll be getting a master's degree in AI for business. What does that mean? To be honest with you, I don't know, and that's why I picked it. I figure that, everything is going towards AI, so it might be good to go ahead and jump in and ride the wave. A week or two ago, I went to visit with my program advisor, and she told me that this program has just been stood up this spring, so it's basically brand new. It's so new, in fact, that the students in the program right now are helping design the program. They're giving feedback to the instructors and telling them, what's working, what's not working, what they want more of, what they want less of, and I'm really excited to be a part of it. I recently reached out to my instructors to see what I could do to start preparing for class, and this is what they told me. I'm taking one course on AI and business operations, and I'm taking another course on AI automation. In the AI automation class, my instructor told me that he's basically building the class from scratch, and that the program is going to be based around the tool N8N, and that I should go ahead and start looking into it. In my AI and business operations class, the instructor said that a lot of the class is going to be based around reading articles about businesses and how they're using AI day to day in their operations, and that the class is going to have a capstone project where I'll be tasked with building an AI automation for my job, which I think will be really cool. The only thing is, right now, I work in public government. I work in grant administration, and it's a little bit different than working in private sector. I can't just go to my boss and be like, hey, let's try this tool out. I have to go through a procurement process. I have to deal with supervisors and chiefs and directors. And you can't just go out and get a program like that. You have to usually set up an RFP. You have to have different people bid on it. You have to go through different departments. So it'll be interesting seeing what I can do. However, recently, within the past week or so, I've been tasked at work with automating things already. We use Microsoft 365, and in Microsoft 365, there's something called Power Automate. And in Power Automate, you can automate tasks like sending out emails, or say an email comes in with an attachment. You can take that attachment and automatically log it into a folder. And then maybe that attachment is a PDF with certain data in it. You can take that data and extract it into an Excel sheet, so you can go ahead and figure out what all the data means. I just set up an automation where I send out a form or a survey, people respond to it, it comes back, I log the data into an Excel sheet, and then weekly I send out a PDF that has pulled that data from the Excel sheet, compiled it neatly, and the PDF shows me who answered it, what they answered. It's a way for us to test a workflow where we'll be sending out a form or a survey to a grant subrecipient, and we can monitor compliance. They can answer questions within the form, it'll send it back to us, we log their answers, and then through that we can see who's in compliance, who's not, who we need to reach out to, who's okay, who can have their projects greenlit, who needs like a little more guidance. But so far it's really interesting. Anyway, I'm at Walmart right now. Let me go get what I need in here and I'll be right back.
So I'm editing this video while I'm getting ready for work, and I just realized that I forgot to say something really important. If you're new here, if you're just finding this video, finding me, I need you to go down there, and I need you to hit the subscribe button. It's really important.
All right, I'm back. Got my beverages for the week and a few other things. By the way, my girlfriend's got me addicted to this. That's the Witch's Brew Alani. If you haven't had it, you need to have it. One of the things that I've done to kind of start preparing myself for class is I started a conversation with ChatGPT, and I said, hey, I'm going to school to get a master's in AI for business. This is what my professors said I need to do to get ready for class. What can I do to kind of supplement that? And so it gave me a list of resources to pull from, as far as like business articles, like my AI and business professor suggested. And so I started reading over some articles from McKinsey and Company, which kind of talk about how AI is being implemented in the workplace. And it's been really interesting. I'll try to link that somewhere. Then it listed a couple other articles I need to check out. I'm going to start doing that over the next week or so before class starts. As far as starting to learn N8N, I started looking at some YouTube channels and watching over some tutorials. Surprisingly, Microsoft Power Automate and N8N are really close to each other. It's just that Power Automate is specific to Microsoft and N8N is kind of a universal tool. I'm probably going to get a monthly subscription and then start messing around with it. And I'll post here about what I'm learning about. I'll also try and do some walkthroughs of what I'm doing with Power Automate at work. So I'm at Ollie's right now. Let me run in there and I'll be right back.
You haven't liked the video yet. I need you to do that.
All right, got my snacks for the week. Got some protein bars, a few other things. We got one more stop to make. And then we should be headed home. A few other things that ChatGPT recommended were checking out Zapier and a few other automation tools. But that's where I'm at right now. And that's what I'll be doing for the next week or so. Reading some articles on how AI is being used in business and checking out N8N and trying to figure it out, as well as at work, Power Automate stuff. So TLDR, I have enrolled in a master's program to get a degree in AI for business applications. My first two classes will be going over AI and business operations and AI automation software. I start in a week. I'll be posting on here once or twice a week until I graduate, just showing you guys what I'm learning and what I'm getting into. So if that sounds like something that you would like to be into, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, give this video a like, and I'll see you next week.